He always hated goodbyes, but this one felt heavier.
She left chasing her dreams, and he stayed holding theirs.
Every word he wrote carried her name, but never her address.
Years changed everything, except how her name sounded in his head.
It wasn't her voice, but it carried the same warmth.
Love is strange, it sleeps for years, then wakes with one sound. He didn't know why, but the heart knows when to travel.
The tracks hummed the same song she once loved.
She looked the same, time couldn't touch what love made timeless.
Sometimes, dreams return, just to say goodbye. He didn't plan to stop, but destiny rarely asks.
Years melted in one look, time bowed before love.
No words came, but silence said enough. She smiled this time. Love doesn't need to stay to be real.
And just like that, she became part of the horizon again.
The ache was still there, but now it felt like warmth. He never caught her train, but somehow he still made it home.